What's going on? Welcome back to another Millionaire Mansion home tour. This one's so unique. I knocked on a woman's door. She said she was an interior designer. This isn't her house, but she gave me an address to go knock on. I surprised the homeowner by just showing up. He was home, he answered. He told us that he used to have a trucking company. He sold his trucking company, then he built this house. Guess what? We're back. We're here to tour the entire house, and we have Susie with us to talk about the designs implemented in the home while we learn the whole backstory of Stan, the homeowner. Let's go check it out. Hello, how's it going, Stan?
Good, how you doing?
I'm good, man.
Welcome in, coming back.
All right, thank you so much. The house looks phenomenal, wow. It is so beautiful here. I'm very gracious for the opportunity. You came here with no money, no English. Why Canada?
It's very stabilized country. It's no violence like any other countries.
When you came to Canada, you became a truck driver. Can you tell me a little bit more about that? Were you a truck driver in Poland?
Yeah, I did.
Okay.
I was a truck driver in Poland, and when I came into Canada, I didn't speak any English. That's why what I'm gonna do is drive a truck.
Okay, makes sense. You had a transferable skill somewhat.
Yeah, I like to prepare some food. I'm not a big cooker, but time to time I like to prepare something.
Nice. What's your favorite meal?
Oh my gosh. Sushi.
Okay.
This is the kitchen. Everything is clean lines. We did the hidden lights in the millwork, so it gives you a little bit of interest. My favorite thing is this countertop. It's a quartzite. It's a beautiful natural stone. We also did a feature for anyone who wants to display any extra china or anything special that they would like to display.
So how did you advance from working for a trucking company and driving a truck to having your own trucking company yourself?
The first step, I bought my own truck. I work as an owner-operator.
Owner-operator of your own truck.
With my own truck. And then I comes with the idea to open company.
And what did you know about opening a company at the time?
Oh, I know that time I spoke already a little bit of English, maybe not as much as today, but it was enough to operate the company.
I mean, as this company grows, were you ever like considered rich, or did you live in a nice home when these companies were being created?
No.
No.
I lived with in a townhouse for 22 years.
Wow.
Before I did anything, I didn't want to spend my money on a house. I just focused my 100%, 110% was focused on the company, what I can.
So you spent a lot of your time growing this business and saving the money before spending any of it.
15 and a half years.
15 and a half years.
For 20 years, I wasn't anywhere on a vacation.
Yeah, wow.
I
Just
worked.
And I know I had the pleasure of meeting your wife going around the house, Anna. When did you meet Anna, and how did she get involved?
We started the business together.
Wow, okay. And was she...
She was a bookkeeper for the company.
Okay. Did she want to go on vacation?
No.
And you met her while you were studying English?
Yeah.
Wow.
Night school.
Night school. Tell me about that faucet. It's so cool. I want to see this.
The faucet is manufactured in Poland, distributed in North America.
Nice.
That's all.
Well, it's a good faucet. It's super unique. Stan, you know, you worked really hard and you came very far, but what are some of the challenges you faced along the way?
Well, the first challenge was to leave the communist country. That was first challenge.
Wow, a communist country. I can't even imagine. So that's Poland, right?
Yeah, that's Poland. We never had a passport in the pocket like today. Myself and my family, we were coming from the village. We were very, very poor people because when my dad died, I was a 9 years
So
old.
you said your father passed away?
Yeah, my father passed away.
Your father left you, you obviously passed away, and your mother took care of you and your siblings? You have siblings?
My mother would take care of us, all of us, because 6 of us, and the youngest.
6 of you. So your mother was a single mom of 6 children in Poland.
In Poland, in farm.
During during communism, on a farm.
On the farm.
Oh
we
my
live off the
God.
farm. Our life is a challenge. Sick until 3 years ago, I had a triple bypass.
You got a triple bypass 3 years ago. Wow. So how did that go for you? Like, did that change your life?
No.
No?
No. They make me from the old guy to younger one. Welcome, let's go upstairs. I'll show you my master bedroom.
How's it going? I know you're enjoying the video right now, but if you do like this content, make sure you subscribe and like so I can keep making these videos because it really shows a lot of appreciation, and I thank everybody who has already done so. Enjoy the rest of the video. Okay, what side of the bed do you sleep on?
Oh, it's a king size.
King size, but do you sleep on one side or the other side, or
No, I sleep on the left side.
the left
Of the
side?
bed.
Has it always been the left side?
Not always. Recently. We
We change.
swap.
Every now and again you change?
Welcome to the master bedroom with the gorgeous crystal chandelier that sparkles the whole room, and this gorgeous, unique feature wall that is made out of metal strips and the leathered finish to give you a nice, unique look.
Honestly, I was in there. I don't have no idea how those things work. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 places that it appears water comes out. How do you, like, it looks so complicated, all those levers.
No,
No?
once you open once, then you know how to use it.
Yeah, okay. So what about the tub? How often have you used the tub?
Not really often because I don't like it though. I like a shower.
Yeah, okay, you seem like a shower kind of guy.
Welcome to the master bathroom with these gorgeous 5 by 10 foot slabs throughout the whole ensuite. And you could see we got the beautiful crystal wall sconces for this space with an imported vanity that came from Italy, as well as the gorgeous shower and the rain head, and a beautiful bench for seating and for comfort.
I can't help but think that, you know, you coming from a very poor farm in Poland, that may have been something, you know, do you think that helped drive you to become where you are today? Like, you didn't want to live like that?
Yeah, you're right. I didn't want to live like that. That's why I was always challenged to get something what I can be proud of myself or end of maybe my life.
Welcome to the second floor, where you see this luxurious 24-foot chandelier that is made out of crystal, coming down from a beautiful skylight that is a hexagon shape with tinted bronze mirrors surrounding it to reflect the light from all different directions.
So there's 900 pieces of crystal hanging 25 feet in your foyer. Yeah. We're done upstairs, let's head down. But instead of the stairs, let's take the elevator. Why an elevator? That's incredible. You have an elevator in your house.
I'm almost 70.
Okay.
And one day maybe I'm gonna need to use the elevator. Hope never. I don't use them. I just keep them for storage. But you never know.
Got you. If somebody was listening or watching this, what would you tell them to help them stay encouraged?
Honesty and working hard. That's how I did.
It's that simple.
That's very simple. And people like to do business with me because I was honest, and if I gotta tell you, I'm gonna tell you right up front. If you like this price, it's okay. If you don't like it, then nothing hidden.
That makes sense. It seems like a good business model.
If I was younger and I landed in a country where I don't speak the language, the first you gotta start working, because who's gonna give you something if you don't have enough?
So you got to add value to yourself.
You have to. When I start my business, I just was consistent with the business.
You just keep going and going and going.
Keep going and going.
Got you. Even if there's ups and downs.
Ups and downs, but don't look on the back. You just go forward.
Stan, again, the interview was phenomenal. You really elaborate on your life. I cannot believe that you came from a farm in Poland to this like millionaire mansion, and you did it all by working hard, staying honest, and being determined.
And pay the taxes.
And pay your taxes.
Pay your taxes. That's it.
Well, anyways, I want to say thank you so much. I really appreciate the opportunity, and I'm really glad I came knocking on your door.
Okay, thank you so much.
All right, let's go check out the movie theater.
Oh, you're gonna love this theater.
Does it get really loud in here?
Oh, you can get it loud.
Yeah, like the room rumbles.
You want me to put them on?
Let's see what it does. Let's see how it rumbles. Holy shit!
How loud can it?
As always, thank you so much for watching right until the end. How amazing was Stan's story? If you like this content and you want to stay up to date with it, make sure you subscribe. I release videos like this one every single week. Of course, comment if you have anything you want me to ask these homeowners in future videos, and definitely like it if you enjoy the content, because that really helps me and supports this channel. As always, if you don't know who I am, my name's Aaron Vankampen. I'm very popular on TikTok for going up to mansions, knocking on their doors, and asking the question we all want to know. What do you do for a living?